If you wake up with messy curls but don't want to redo your whole wash day routine, don't worry. There are some simple ways to refresh your curls so they look as good as on day one. Start by wetting your hair lightly with a spray bottle or mister to reactivate any products you added the last time you washed your hair. While your locks are damp, detangle if needed to tackle knots and minimize frizz. Applying curl cream sparingly can help smooth your curls and rehydrate. Or if you have fine or thin hair, try using a mousse to define your curls without weighing them down. Distribute products evenly using the praying hands method. Hold your hands together like you're praying, then clasp your hair in between your hands and slowly drag your hands down the length of your hair to avoid separating curl clumps. Finally, add a small amount of gel and scrunch your hair up towards your scalp to encourage curls into their natural shape. Dry your curls with a diffuser to lock in the shape, or let your hair air dry. When refreshing your curls, remember to use less product than you do on wash days. If you notice your hair getting limp between washes, you can add some dry shampoo around your roots, but skip brushing to avoid causing additional frizz. Instead, let the dry shampoo sit near your scalp for a couple of minutes to soak up any oil. Then use your fingers to rub it into your hair for clean, volumized curls.